Heard you want report. Sit ya.
Viewer, subscriber, it come a time where we have to face that gunshot there. You know that pain there in your stomach where you feel like even your chest a pop out. And that cartel I tell you, then you and me. Because sometimes you love a person, but don't mean say that person they love your back. And at that the man attack, meds.
The people them where you that die for. And them quick for broke your vibes, dog. Treat you like a light bulb, on and off. But when me do you that's so cool. You go out of your way for hurt me, and me go out of my way for hurt you. We keep going round in a circle.
Viewer, subscriber, you have some woman we got some friend, and even though them know say the friend a lie, and that them a run with, and behind them back, them friend a say them a idiot, them got a good man and a waste it. You see me, and that cartel a make you know say yo, your friend them a flick you like a light switch, but here the meds, a man say yo, you go out of your way fi hurt me, but you say choose spite, me a go hurt your back, meds.
Circle, no, this a can't love, this a surgery. You too lie, me too jealous. Me so close, you're so fed up. A long time you want to cut. Me can't stay, me can't leave.
Viewer, subscriber, sometimes you're in a relationship and you know say it nah work. You know say the both of you are lie to each other. You know say boy it a cause peer kind of problem, argument and everything. But you see because the two are no jealous about one another. You see the two are no stubborn, uno nah left one another. And a them thing they can't tell a talk about. You see me? Because the relationship they don't work nothing dog, but uno still a fight and I try to survive. Meds.
These people wait till when you're down to do you wrong, them never did right. Made up excuses come suddenly like bring up something from 1999. So you go out of your way for argue, cause you know someone now go call you.
You are subscriber. Rumor got it for say Kartel and him woman split up other day. However that is, we don't know. You see me? But Kartel drop a tune up on short bass rhythm. And you know say Kartel woman named Shorty. But that are the meds. Alright, hear me now. Sometimes a man a make you know say yo, you tell me be a bumbuckler lie. And I'll do say me know say a lie you tell, me still a hold on. Me still a do certain things because here a viewer subscriber. Meds the thing. Sometimes you're in a relationship, you know. I know the person make you in a the relationship, you know. I know the look where the person look after you make you in a the relationship, you know. Sometimes I just a look at one joke, you know. That joke there where the person give you a certain time. You see me? You just can't get it from another girl. And that sometimes just a hold you in the relationship. And that cartel make you know. Meds.
That are your signal for do what you want do. When me start talk, you say me a evil. So you go out of your way for hurt me, and me go out of my way for hurt you. We keep going round in a circle. No, this a can't love, this a surgery.
Viewer, subscriber, Kartel said the two of them stubborn in the relationship. And the man I make you know say, although me know say you line up bumbuckler, saying check the meds. When you want carry off with your fuckery, you talk a whole heap of bag of things that talk about how me evil and wicked and them thing there. You bring up some things since wappy kill fill up. True, you know say them time that when you do them thing they may go pause. But the man I make you know say, yo, this a relationship coming like a surgery. And me heart you want, see it ya. Take it, meds.
I'm scared for lose you. Me no know what's outside, yeah. But me know I'm certain. If me stay, me I go die from heartbreak, yeah. If me stay, me I go die from heartbreak, yeah. If me stay, me I go die.
Viewer, subscriber, you know when a man come to you, a big man and talk to you them way, like how Kartel I tell you know same heart mash up, you know same heart really break, you know say rip out time chest, and you know say yo that one look on him and say yo dog, fuck that the girl there, make she run with dog. You see me, at them kind of level that say you know say teacher go through some pain when him attack them away ya, meds.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
viewer, subscriber. Sometimes you're in a relationship, dog, and nothing the left in a hit. And the only advice me can give you, walk. You don't have to walk, dog. You have to take that bullet there. You have to take that gunshot there in your belly and walk, dog. You see me? Because if you don't walk, mad things are going to happen. Meds.
You go out of your way for argue, cause you know some me nah go call you. That are your signal for do what you want do. When me start talk, you say me a evil. So you go out of your way for hurt me, and me go out of my way for hurt you.
Viewer, subscriber, when you know say you're in a relationship where you know say it two uno come from a certain place and build everything together and know everything up on a level, you see me, it come down to a time now where uno probably end up hate each other, you see me, because nothing more the left in the relationship, dog, and none of uno da want walk, you see me. So the best thing uno start do is fight against each other. One a do something for spite the other one I do something for hurt the other one, and at that me say, dog, the best thing anybody have to do in a them type of thing there, you have to walk, dog. You get me? You have to walk, because end up where it two wanna go and kill each other. And right now for that tune where teacher job can you know say teacher passionate when it come to certain kind of tune. You know teacher passionate when it come to certain kind of delivery. You know say teacher passionate with the words them that him put down. So when you see teacher put down a thing like this, you know say enough for him art, dog, it must a mash up. And right now that we can say to anybody, dog, walk. Viewer, subscriber, right now it's your boy Djstullaa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more than love that tune ya. We out.